Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to find the user manual of your Sony HT-AX7 portable theater speaker. Here, as you can see, we do have the application. It's called the Sony Free Reconnect, and here in this application we have to tap Settings here. Now we have to tap Help, and here we have to wait a moment. Here, as you can see, we do have HT-AX7 support and help guide with manual. We have to tap that. And here we do have the web manual for our speaker. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.